take a look at the Azimut Grande S10.
As the name would suggest, this yacht falls under Azimut's Grande range of yachts, but it is also an S. Well, first of all, the S range will appeal to yacht owners for whom sleek looks are important. One of the design features that I especially appreciated was what he calls a central vertebrae column that is really the stairway leading to the flybridge area. When you arrive on the aft deck of the yacht via these steps up the transom, you first get to a slightly elevated sunbathing area, and from there you can either take the vertebrae steps up to the flybridge, or you can take a step down to this seating area here that has the stairs passing over the top of it. It's a neat solution that looks really great and probably works very well for users of the yacht. It has a very nice forward area with seating, tables and sun pads. A well-proportioned flybridge that is large enough to have some practical use, but small enough not to spoil the aesthetics of the yacht. A 10 square metre foldable platform for the beach club that is also tender storage. And in the aft on the main deck, we have already taken a look at that clever arrangement with sunbathing after the vertebrae column and a cosy seating area forward. Doesn't end there though. Look at this clever idea. A sliding glass door from the seating area opens up to the dining area, and as you can see, the teak from the deck continues into this part of the interior. I say interior, but actually this could also be considered as exterior space, since a second sliding glass panel can be used to close off the interior lounge so that the dining table, seating area and sunbathing area all become part of one huge aft deck. And let's consider the performance of the yacht. Azimut have used carbon fibre extensively throughout the vessel in order to keep the weight to power ratio optimised, and actually she reaches the very respectable speed of 35 knots with two MTU engines of 2,600 horsepower each. By using strong but light materials like carbon fibre to achieve a better top speed, you also achieve a better range for the vessel too.